Hey everyone, it's Ash here from Tech Hub, and I'm very excited to announce something brand new that I've been working on. I'm now offering Tech Hub service at home, personal one-to-one help with all your Apple devices, right in the comfort of your own home or online, wherever you are. If your Mac is running slow, if you need help setting up a new iPhone or iPad, or you're just not feeling confident about using your Apple tech, I can help. From Mac tune-ups and time machine backups to iCloud setup and troubleshooting in general Apple tuition, this service is designed to make your tech simple. It's perfect for beginners, older adults, small businesses, or anyone who just wants friendly, jargon-free support. And if you'd like to book a session or get a personalised quote, contact me on the details on the screen now or in the link below. You can also check out my website www.techhubwiltsuk.co.uk, and there's a link for Tech Hub service at home for a flyer. Thanks for your support as always, and I can't wait to help you get the most out of your Apple tech with Tech Hub service at home.